Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD. Yes, my favorite 4-hour time frame. As we were hoping that after the NFP report, we will get to see some good moves in the market, but that did not happen because NFP report was more or less gave us a mixed result. We were actually there was a forecast of 7,25,000 jobs, and it surprised the world with 8,50,000 jobs. So it was extremely bullish. Okay, this news was extremely bullish, but on the other hand, employment unemployment rate, which was expected to go down from 5.8 to 5.6, okay, rose to 5.9. So this unemployment rate was a problem yesterday because there were people were hoping that it will come down from 5.8 to 5.6. Rather, it rose to 5.9. As a result, there was a mixed movement, and US dollar also did not move that we were hoping that it would move, because if you look at the chart of dollar index, let's look at a daily chart once. Okay, if you look at the chart of dollar index, then you can see that okay, there was not no such big move. It just made a red candle, and you can see that the overall structure of dollar index is still bullish, because dollar was bullish, and still we can consider that this chart is still bullish. In case it starts going down in the coming week, then we can easily expect that after a pullback again it will be going up again. And if it starts coming down, then we can hope that US dollar will get support at 91.5, and we have got 93.35 on the upside as the resistance for DXY US dollar. And still US dollar looks bullish to me, still US dollar looks positive to me. Okay, so let's look at the chart of gold USD now. And you can see that when market got very volatile yesterday, but still it did not break this particular range. If you have watched my previous video, then you know this range pretty well, because I have clearly mentioned that until and unless market is trading in this range, we will not get any trend, we will not get the taste of any trending market. But because as long as market is trading in this range, we will just get a sideways market. And as we all know, in sideways market we get trading opportunities on both the sides, because it is not a trending market. Therefore we can short the market at the resistance, and we can go for buying order at the support level. And right now you can see that market is almost standing at the resistance level, and the resistance is at 1794.8. okay, 1794 on the upside and 1750 as the support on the downside. So there is a gap of almost, let's say, 40 pips. Okay, non-figure 40 pips. So market will be moving in this range only, in the range of 40 pips only. Okay, and right now you can see that yesterday market has closed at the resistance with a green candle. It is not a red candle. Therefore, let the market open on Monday and just try to observe the price, because see, the closing candle was a green one, which means that bulls are present in the market. Bulls are there in the market, and they may try to take the price upward. They may try to break this resistance level on the Monday. Therefore, wait for some time after the market opening. If you see that on after the market opening on Monday, if you see price going down from here, if you see price rejection from above, if you see shooting star kind of a pattern, okay, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, 1794 or this line is still acting as a resistance for the market, and gold USD is still trading in a particular range. Gold USD is still trading in a narrow range, and you can short the market if you find selling pressure, or if you see gold going down from this particular level. If you do not have these lines in your charting platform, then I'll just request you to draw these lines in your charting platform so that you can analyze the chart better, so that you can take better trades. On the other hand, you have got this level also as the support right now, 1750. If you find market taking support at this level on Monday, then just observe the price. If you see market going up from here or market bouncing from this support level, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, Avilash was right, market is in a range, market is sideways, and you can go for buy order. Do not consider that market, do not consider this thing, okay, because this down move came after the FOMC meeting when the dollar got very strong. Okay, that's a different chapter. Do not consider this market as the downtrend market. Okay, just concentrate on this particular portion of the market, because right now market is trading in this range only, and so just concentrate on this level. Okay, and right now market is in sideways, therefore you'll get trading opportunities on both the sides as long as market is trading in this range. And as I've clearly mentioned, market is standing at the resistance level. Okay, market closed at the resistance level with a green candle, with a bullish candle, therefore be careful while shorting the market on the at the resistance level. So better wait for the market opening. If you see price rejection, price reversing from the resistance, then only short the market. Otherwise, do not short the market right away. And if you look at the position of stochastic RSI here, then you can clearly see that stochastic RSI is also giving us the clear signal that market is in the overbought zone. Therefore, considering this factor, there is a possibility that on Monday market may go down. Okay, market may go down after the market opening, and if market goes down and reverses, then that will be a good opportunity to short the market. On the other hand, if you find market crossing this level, do not buy. Do not buy right away, because Monday mornings are dull. In the Monday morning you do not get bigger moves. So you may think the market has crossed the level, it is a breakout, and ultimately it may turn out to be a fake out. It may not be a breakout, it may be a fake out, and your stop loss will be hit. Therefore, if it crosses the level also during the first opening hours, do not go for buy order, rather just observe the market. Okay, and if market reverses, just short the market. So this is the only strategy that you should follow for gold USD on Monday. Hopefully you have understood. If you have, liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again.